again in our English class. I hope you all are studying well at home. Children, as you know, in our India, we have unity in diversity. India is a country of different landscapes with different cultures, different languages, different attires, different atmosphere and different food. But we have unity in between this diversity. So kids, if you travel around India, you will come to know all this diversity. Now kids, tell me one thing. Have you ever traveled another state of India with your parents? Have you ever listened the language do they talk? Can you guess if they are talking in their mother tongue? No, we can't. So kids, people of different state have different mother tongue. But people know more than 2 languages. We can't guess which is their mother tongue. So here we have a story of a scholar who knows many languages fluently and no one can find out his mother tongue. So let's enjoy the story. Today we are going to start our new chapter from Unit 6, that is the scholar's mother tongue. Here the meaning of a word scholar is a person who is highly educated. So this story is about a highly educated person's mother tongue. So kids, let us enjoy the story. A learned Pandit once visited the court of Akbar. So kids, one day a highly educated Pandit came to the court of Akbar. He told the king and his courtiers that he had mastery over many different languages. In the court, the Pandit told the king, that is Akbar, and his courtiers. What is the meaning of courtiers? Courtiers means people who attend the court as companions or advisor to the king. So this Pandit told them about his mastery over many different languages. The Pandit could speak many languages fluently. Kids, as you know that we are good in 2 or 3 languages, but this man was so intelligent and he has mastery over many different languages. He was so fluent that no one could find out what his mother tongue was. So kids, here the Pandit said that he could speak many different languages so fluently. Fluently means so smoothly and easily. So in the court, all the courtiers were trying to find out his mother tongue. Maybe it is Kannada, Tamil, etc. He challenged everybody at the court to name his mother tongue. So the Pandit was so fluent that other people were unable to find his mother tongue. Mother tongue means a language that a person speaks from childhood. So he challenged everybody at the court, but all were failed. When everyone failed, the challenge was taken up by Birbal. So children, do you know who is Birbal? Birbal was a famous advisor in the court of Mughal Emperor Akbar. Birbal had a close association with Akbar and was one of his most important courtiers, part of a group called the 9 Jewels. Therefore, when everyone failed in telling the mother tongue of Pandit, then the Birbal accepted the challenge given by the Pandit. Here, Birbal said, "Well, your majesty, I shall find out the Pandit's mother tongue in 1 or 2 days. After that, Pandit said, "Glad to hear that, Birbal. Take your own time." That night, Birbal went quietly to the Pandit's room when he was asleep. So kids, what did Birbal do after accepting the challenge? He went to the Pandit's room when he was sleeping. He whispered into the Pandit's ear and tickled it with a feather. So he spoke something in a very low voice into the Pandit's ears. Then he also tickled it. Tickled means touch it with a feather. The Pandit, half awake, cried out suddenly and shouted out words in his mother tongue. Because of this, Pandit got disturbed and he shouted something in his mother tongue. Now due to this, Pandit shouted out words in his mother tongue. Now here, due to this, Birbal heard him carefully to know his mother tongue. You can see in the picture. Now next morning, Birbal came to the court the next day and told everyone that the Pandit's mother tongue was Telugu. So next day, Birbal came to the court and he told everyone that Pandit's mother tongue is Telugu. The Pandit was surprised and accepted the truth. Who was surprised? The Pandit was surprised and accepted that it was his mother tongue. I accept defeat, my lord. Indeed, Birbal is cleverer than me. So at last, Pandit accepted defeat and he said that to the King Akbar that Birbal is cleverer than me. All the courtiers were very happy. King Akbar then asked Birbal, how did you find the truth? So here it is given, Akbar asked Birbal, how did he find out the truth? Birbal answered, in times of difficulty, a person speaks only in his mother tongue. So here Birbal answered that in times of difficulty, a person speaks only in his mother tongue. He also told the king how he had gone to the Pandit's room at night to find out the truth. To this, Birbal told the king everything, that how he went to the Pandit's room when he was sleeping and how he tickled him to know the truth. Birbal told Akbar that every person speaks in his mother tongue in the times of difficulty. So, this is our story, the scholar's mother tongue. Now we will discuss new words of the chapter. So, our first word is mother tongue. What is the meaning of mother tongue? A language which a person has been speaking from a childhood. The sentence is, the Pandit's mother tongue was Telugu. Next one is challenged. Challenge means invited into competition. The sentence is, Mayur accepted the challenge of running in the race. Next one is tickled. A light touch that makes you laugh. The sentence is, Meera tickled mother under the ears. Next one is irritated. Irritated means showing slight anger. And the sentence is, Reena was irritated by her class friends. So kids, this is all about our chapter, the scholar's mother tongue. I hope you all have enjoyed the chapter. So thank you. Bye bye.